how to solve a Dino Cube. Are you all excited to learn the Dino Cube? So let's start. Okay, so here's the Dino Cube. So I want to say that I feel like this is like the 2x2. So let's scramble it. Okay, so I scrambled it. So the first thing is you need to choose a color and choose an outfit's edge. So I'm taking white, so I chose this one. Now it has green on it. So the opposite of green is blue, like in the 3x3, I can show you. This is green and this is blue. These are the opposite sides. So like that we need to find the blue and white. So here it is. We just need to turn it and bring it in the opposite direction. Then do right down and do like this. It's on the opposite. Now this is red, so we can place it in the bottom here and the white should be down. And do the same thing. Now in the opposite of red it's orange, so now we have orange here, down, right down, right up. So now your first layer is done. Then you need to flip it. Now we need to make the second layer. Almost it's like a second layer. So you just turn it. It's very simple. Just turn it. But it should be matching like this. Now here's one situation. There's orange here. Orange and blue is here. So here's orange, but here's green. So you just need to put it up like this. Now it's matched. But now we need this over here. So first just take this out. Put this. Then put it back. Then your second layer is done. Now this is one situation. Now for the upper layer we have 4 situations. But I'll first show you this, I think simply common one. So it's like this. Now whenever you will get like this situation, at least one side will be made like this red one. So now it's like this. So like the 3x3 we need to hold it like this. Then do this. But since it's on the right side, so we need to start from the left. Left down, right down. Left up and right up. Then your cube will be solved. Now the second situation is different. So let me just show it. If this situation will come, now since it's on the left side, so we need to start from the right side. It's maybe similar than the other one that I just showed you. So for that we need to do right down, right up, left up. Then your cube will be solved. Now the other 2 situations I'm just going to tell you. So this is the third situation. If you get this, all the yellows are in the sides and this is completely blank. So you need to do left down, left up, right up. When you do this, then you get at least one of the situations I teach you earlier. So I got this one, the right side. Start with left down, right down, left up, right up. Then your cube will be solved. Now the last situation. Okay, so if you get this situation, the yellow face is done already and these are just not in the right place. So just start from anywhere and do right down, right up, left up. Then again we got one of the situations. So start with right, since it's on the left, right down, left down, right up, left up. Then your cube will be solved. So these are the 4 situations you can get. So friends, I hope you learned this Dino Cube. And please like, share and subscribe.